Now, Nvidia is the backbone of the AI boom, and really, why is this thing trending right now? It's simple. Well, within the last few weeks, China's been blocking shipments of Nvidia's chips to its people, the people that they're shipping them to. And now all of a sudden, Nvidia plans to sell more chips in China, and this just cleared a major hurdle. So this tells me one thing. Chinese government did that so that they would have some sort of leverage or a bargaining chip, pun intended, haha, to basically get more of Nvidia's chips into its country. Now, late last year, Trump administration gave the green light to sell Nvidia chips to the Chinese for 25% of the revenues, but they're getting the older chips, not the most leading edge chips. So this is going to get interesting, to say the least. But 10 days ago, I made this video, January 18th, on Nvidia, and I was telling you guys, hey, watch out for this harmonic pattern. Then 2 days later, I followed up with another video after that confirmed, saying, hey guys, watch out for this rebound because this is what this harmonic pattern does. And now we can see that we've rebounded quite nicely. And when you look at these charts for Nvidia, we are in this range because there were several different harmonic patterns, and that's why you're seeing a range from 187 up to 197. But we are seeing these strange yellow lines that I've drawn on the screen. Now, what does this all mean, guys? Well, we'll start off with the first one. How about that? So, Chart Forecaster is a predictive market prediction tool. That's not 100% bulletproof, but you can see it predicts times and dates out into the future. And when we look at its history, because it logs the history for the last previous month, it predicted that there would be a volatility spike right here and a reversal and a breakout. That's volatility spike, breakout. So, boom, we got that. It predicted here that there would be peak momentum. So price came barreling down. It said, nope, this is going to be the point in time where it turns around. Sure enough, the next candle is a spinning top and it's off to the races. Also said 9 days in advance too, guys. These are all dropped 9 days in advance. Said here, momentum, or excuse me, market high or low, and this is going to be a reversal zone. So price was humming along, boom, bottom fell out. Momentum starts building, almost nailed this. It was about an hour off, but that's not bad for a 9-day prediction. Momentum came down a little bit. Again, predicted another volatility spike. Now it's predicting a few things here, guys. It's predicting a peak momentum area. And we can see that right now, Nvidia is really kind of, here's a nice trend line here. It's kind of pointing right to this spot here that I was talking about 10 days ago, 8 days ago. But we can see that there is this momentum peak area point. So we might see a little increased price action here going into the end of the week. But Thursday is the day. Actually, yeah, Thursday, January 29th at 1344. And that is going to be right here, right at the market open. So we're going to be watching for this momentum shift, this peak out of momentum right around this open. It's going to be interesting to see going into tonight and into tomorrow what exactly happens. Now, it's also calling for reversals, and it's also calling for market high or lows right around February 2nd, which is a February 2nd is a Monday. And it's going to happen at the open on Monday, or potentially the close on Friday, where we start to see maybe some sort of reversals. But my guess is they're going to drop some sort of news or something like that over the weekend. That might be a catalyst to that as well. Now, the momentum starts building potentially on, boom, February 5th, 1244. So it is what it is. February 5th, 1244, another, right before the market opens on next Thursday, the 5th of February. Again, these are all UTC times And that reversal zone is technically going down on February 1st, but it's a Sunday and the markets are closed. And you can see if a prediction date lands when the markets are closed, look for the prediction prior to the closing at the start of the next trading day. So Nvidia is looking pretty good, and we're going to really start to see if this really pans out here, because it'd be nice to maybe enter a short position, especially if price action moves in up here. It might not be a bad short down to here. Maybe we'll get the reversal, get some sort of flag or something like that, and maybe see the next leg up. Because if China's getting more chips, I would expect to see more revenue, more sales, everything like that. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick video on Nvidia, and we'll see you on the next one.